Prince Harry has won his latest court battle against The Sun, with the publisher failing to push back a potential full High Court trial of unlawful information gathering claims. The Duke of Sussex, 39, alleges he was targeted by journalists and private investigators working for Newsgroup newspapers, NGN. His is among 42 existing cases against the publisher, with a full trial of some of the claims, which could include Harry, due to take place in January next year. At a hearing earlier this week, NGN asked a judge to instead hold a preliminary trial, which would be narrower in its scope, that month to decide whether the cases against it have been brought too late and outside a legal time limit. The publisher has previously denied unlawful activity took place at The Sun. In a ruling on Friday, Mr. Justice Fancourt dismissed NGN's request, meaning some cases will proceed towards a trial in 8 months' time if they are not settled out of court before then. The judge said there was a plainly considerable risk of a preliminary trial, increasing costs overall and delaying a full trial by up to 2 years. That is unsatisfactory, he said. At a hearing on Wednesday, lawyers for NGN said the court should first determine whether those bringing cases could have known they had a worthwhile claim 6 years before they issued theirs. Anthony Hudson KC, for NGN, said the allegations it faced dated from between 8 and 29 years before claims started, with the earliest allegedly happening in 1993. These cover allegations of phone hacking, blagging information, using private investigators, burglaries and bugging, the court has been told. A trial on the timing issue would not have determined the full details of the allegations NGN faces, and could have resulted in findings that some claims are time-barred, and therefore dismissed. NGN's lawyers argued this approach was the most efficient way of dealing with cases and could promote settlements, but the legal team for Harry and others said it would be highly disruptive and prejudicial, and cause substantial delay. Mr. Justice Fancourt said NGN's request had come late, noting that people bringing claims had been expecting a trial to take place since November 2022. The judge said a narrower initial trial could result in wasted legal costs, may trigger appeals delaying a fuller trial, and would not make a difference to whether cases settled or not. He said there were too few advantages to abandoning the orderly preparation of the January 2025 trial, where the question of the timing of claims will nonetheless feature. Wednesday's hearing was told that the Duke of Sussex could be forced to settle his claim against NGN because of the risks of high legal costs.